Look, Mater, I'm building the tallest castle.
That looks mighty fine.
No! My castle!
Uh-oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Go away, Mater! You ruined everything! I'm real sorry. I didn't mean to.
Guess I'll just be on my own now. Nobody wants me around. Maybe I really am useless. This place gives me the creeps, but I got nowhere else to go. What's happening to me? I ain't done yet.
I ain't no loser. I'm Excavator Mater.
Oh my God, what is that thing? No one's ever gonna call me useless again. That rusty tow truck doesn't stand a chance against me.
Is that Mater? Pitbull, your cheating days are over. Ha! Look at you, rusty junkyard scrap! You really think you can beat me? I may be rusty, but I ain't weak. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the showdown of the century! Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the showdown of the century! And they're off!
Let's see how that rusty junk handles the HIS. Maybe I really can't do this. No, I ain't giving up. Not now.
It's Mater! He's back!
You ain't seen nothing yet! How is he catching up so fast?
Hold on, Pitbull! This race ain't over yet! You rusty junk pile, you'll never beat me!
You ain't seen my best yet, buddy.
Time to shred you to pieces, Mater! Whoa! That ain't fair!
You'll have to do better than that, Pitbull! No! How did that rusty junk dodge me? Looks like old Mater's taking the lead.
No! I won't let this rusty truck beat me!
Nice try, Pitbull, but old Mater don't slip that easy.
What? Impossible! This is it! No holding back now!
The finish line's mine, junk heap! Out of my way, junk heap! The trophy's mine! Not today, Pitbull! Mater don't back down! Yeehaw! That's how Mater rolls! M-A-T-E-R!
Mater! I am so sorry for everything! I was wrong to blame you! Please forgive me!
No! I had it! How could I lose to that rust bucket? Mater!
You did it, Mater! You're a true champion!
Guess old Mater ain't such a loser after all.
Mater, thank you for everything. I'm glad we're together again.
Oh, shucks. That's what friends are for. Home sweet home, here we come. We're finally home, Mater, and it feels perfect!
You know, Mater, today feels like a dream.
Well, dream or not, it's...
The stars are so beautiful tonight. just like our new beginning.